Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. Will we be able to protect them, or what? Those who do not get the meaning of the sure Upadesha instructions on the heart essence of a proper vehicle, investigate the sounds, then practice what they mean. They will surely fall. This is not freedom. If those who are congenitally blind or who are tortured by ants do not engage someone to guide them, they will not turn away from following their trails. Do they want to suffer or what? For yogins of uncontrived awareness, the true nature of the mind of the Great Perfection is beyond extremes, and also does not abide in any middle. Its measure is to be beyond any measure. Awareness is what it means to be secret. It is inconceivable. The mandala that brings forth our heart essence is the door to a real secret that is not contrived. We open it with the key of our awareness. The precious jewels of the Upadesha instructions truly do blaze. Without any hunt, the way things are is spontaneously realized. We succeed without hunting by settling into the true nature of our awareness. If we do not have the intellect for an uncontrived secret, we may lose the meaning of this secret through our contrivances. The essence of the heart of the Great Perfection is not obstructed. Our wisdom is clear like the sky without being hunted, for it is essentially empty from the primordial. The space of our awareness is not a visualization and is beyond discussion. We mount a level in a single moment without a hassle. Our greater virtue is instantaneously clear. As for this secret reality that is beyond discussion, it will not be recognized by saying this and this. This great secret, which is a secret Upadesha instruction, is not our self-originating awareness. There is no finding of thusness. Self-originating clarity has no object. The wisdom of our awareness is beyond any visualization. Our wisdom does not move from its dominion. We know things that are inconceivable.